Hi, it's Saturday afternoon at Dave's place. Saturday's the day things get fixed. The day the drills get sharpened. Oil changes get done, all that. That one's pretty bad. Yep, that'll get a touch up. I'm going to sharpen some drill steels today. Something that needs to be done. Just the chisel sorts, these ones. Not the buttons, we'll do that another day. But these are called integral chisels, or integral chisels. They're 100-year-old style rock drill bits. Preferred, these are the preferred ones today, buttons, they drill a bit faster. But these are still good in softer formations, or where you've got very long holes and you're drilling with a hand drill and you don't want the button bits to come off because that's a constant problem. Alrighty. How we sharpen these, we use a grinding jig, such as this one here, or a little handheld or portable grinder like this one. I cart this one with me in my work vehicle sometimes and just freehand sharpen them with no jig. So the radius is sort of best I can guess. Now I'm not going to show you how this works today because I've just noticed it's got a chip in the wheel. So there's no way I'll be firing that up because that's potentially a grenade. So such is life, we'll do it just with the grinder then. So I found numerous drill steels here which have had a bit of work. That one needs regrinding, that one's been hand ground and it's off centre. That one looks like it's been machine ground, that one's been hand touched up. That one's been machine ground, that one's machine ground. This one, I don't even know where it come from, but gee, I tell you what, it's been a while since that's seen daylight. I think a customer gave me this one, he'd had it under his house for 40 years or something. Yeah, probably recover it. Anyway, we'll whack some of these on the grinder and give it a go. Okay, there's the first one done. That's not too bad. Now what I would normally do with the other grinder is I'd just take the very sharp edge off it. In this case it's not that sharp anyway. But it's a bit of a bad idea having them too sharp. Sometimes they can shatter on very hard rock. Alright, we'll put the next one in. Being a bit brutal with that, I normally wouldn't do it that fast. Now I don't even know where this one come from. It's pretty ugly, but I'll give it a whiz anyway. Well, there's another job done. Lots of sharp, shiny drill steels. I love it. Even the really cruddy one come up not too bad. The rusty one, the one that my guy gave me. I think the story of this one was the guy was a miner and he'd blasted his own house site about 40 years ago. And it just laid on the ground ever since. I think it's actually blocked. So that might be interesting unblocking it. Yeah. Thought I saw a defect in it actually. No, must have been my imagination. Alright, we'll give that a shot and see how it goes. That'll do a few more metres. Alrighty, that's how you do it. And by the way, if you're in Australia and you use these and sharpen them manually and know what a pain it is, you can send them to me and I'll sharpen it for you if you like, for cheap. It's good to do them in a jig like this because the angles are optimised for fast cutting and long life. Alrighty, catch another time.